I need you to listen.
Hey guys, my name is Kenisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and comment what you sell down below. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you guys like this video and make sure you guys watch the videos all the way through because it really helps me out. So, I'm so excited because today I have a sample that I wanted to show you guys. Like literally, I had this idea and I was like, let me go ahead and act on it right now. I acted on it, I sketched it out. I wish I had my sketchbook, but I'll like insert a video. I sketched it out exactly how I wanted it, the colors, I paid for the sample, you know, all of that. In about 2 weeks, and then I got my sample made and sent to me, and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. This is for my boss friends who get, you know, a lot of orders on the daily, or just those of you who might ship like once a week or so, and you need like a bigger bag or something to ship your orders in. This is for you girls. So I've been getting so many comments ever since I came out with the I Started the Businesses bags. Like my packages can't fit in that, or are you gonna have something bigger, or things like that. And I'm here to share with you the XXL version of the I Started the Businesses bag. So let's go ahead and see what this is. Okay, the orange color is really pretty. We have the XXL I Started the Businesses bag. Y'all, this thing is bigger than me. Look at this. Thumbnail. Okay. So it says I Started the Businesses, of course, and it's the same exact design as my tote bags, which are right here. I Started the Businesses. I'm so proud of myself. First of all, let me say that I'm so proud of myself, like literally. So it comes with a drawstring. Once you put all your orders in it, you can easily just close it up. And then instead of just having the drawstring, I do have a strap on here. Right now it's touching the ground. And for reference, I'm 5'2". So it goes up to like my boobs. So yeah, this is a huge bag. It can fit so many orders, and I'm so proud of myself. Like I said, this will be the first color that launches. So if you're a boss friend that gets, you know, a lot of orders, or if your packages are on the bigger side, this is definitely for you because you will be able to get all of your packages in one bag. Go ahead and get one of these, and then an additional tote. I think that'd be really, really cute and a good pair. I wanted to have the material that was thicker. So this material is water resistant, and it's thicker than the other material that I could have used. They just sent me this just to check it out, which automatically I'm glad I paid the extra price for the thicker material, the higher quality material, because although this looks shiny and nice, you can tell that it's thinner and it's more like plasticky, versus this one is more so like this one is thicker, and to the touch you can already tell the difference. There's nothing wrong with this one, but I'm definitely gonna have the higher quality version for my boss friends because y'all deserve it, and I want you guys to get your money's worth. So this is the I Started the Businesses bag, and I'm so excited. This is also adjustable, so girl, if you're short or if you're taller, you can have it down or you can put it up so it won't touch the ground. I don't want you guys to drag these on the ground. If you need to, they're definitely strong enough to do that, but I definitely don't recommend it because you don't want to get it all like beat up and stuff. But the good thing about this too is you can wash it. So you can put this in a washer and wash this bag if it does get dirty. I put a lot of thought and everything into everything that I create, and the good thing about what I'm creating is I've actually experienced it. I've been a full-time entrepreneur. I've been shipping orders and everything like that for about 8 years or more. So I know like the resources and like what we could use in the area or whatever. Not like I'm just creating products just to create them. Like, no, I've experienced, I know what we're lacking in and what we could use. So that's why I am trying to create the product. So if you guys want to support me in any way, make sure you guys head over to my website. I might have this bag up for pre-order. So if you guys are interested in supporting me with this bag, go ahead and check it out. And also, I have a lot of my I Started the Businesses bags in stock. They will be ready to ship next week. So make sure you guys check them out. I have purple, turquoise, pink, and brown. They're so cute. Make sure you guys join the movement. These are only $24.99. Yeah, I have the link down in the description box for you guys to go check out because the tote is super good. Still, if it's like a slow day or anything like that, you just want to carry a tote or for different events and stuff. I do like this bag as well if you guys need to carry like your inventory or anything to certain events. I feel like this would be very, very helpful to protect your products or whatever you may need to go in here. My next pop-up shop event, I will be using one of these, so I'll definitely show you guys like what I'm talking about. But yeah, also if you're going inventory shopping at the LA district or just like at the Atlanta one, in person, anywhere, Texas, wherever you are, and you want a bag to put your inventory in, that's a great bag to have. So it's not just for shipping orders, but that is, you know, the main reason just with the tote bags. Those are not just for shipping orders. They're if you started a business and you just want a tote bag to celebrate yourself and things like that. I'm so happy that I got this. Like, I'm so happy, y'all. This just made my day. So if you guys want to support me with this, make sure you guys go check it out. Okay, guys, so this is how it looks outside. It's really good. Thank you so much for watching, Boss Friends, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.